Hello, enthusiast! Welcome to Cardio Forte for Life, where we uncover natural ways to protect and strengthen your heart. Here's something surprising. Some of the most powerful protectors of your cardiovascular system don't come in a pill bottle from the pharmacy. They come straight from nature's garden. For centuries, traditional healers across Asia, Europe, and the Middle East have turned to herbs to improve circulation, lower blood pressure, and keep the heart strong. Today, modern science is confirming what they always knew. These natural remedies really work. So in this video, we'll explore 10 powerful herbs that can boost your heart health naturally. And at the end, I'll share how these herbs can be combined with Cardio Forte for Life, a doctor-formulated supplement with 5,000 milliliters of L-arginine and powerful antioxidants that work together to support healthy blood pressure, circulation, and cholesterol levels. Let's dive right in. 1. Hawthorn, the heart's guardian. If there's one herb that truly deserves the title heart herb, it's hawthorn. For centuries, Europeans have brewed hawthorn berries and leaves as a heart tonic. Modern science now shows why. Hawthorn is packed with flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that strengthen blood vessel walls and protect them from oxidative stress. It helps regulate heart rhythm, improve blood flow, and may even reduce blood pressure. Many studies suggest hawthorn can improve symptoms of congestive heart failure by making the heart pump more effectively. Tip: drink hawthorn tea daily, or take it as a supplement standardized for flavonoids. 2. Garlic, nature's blood pressure regulator. Garlic isn't just a kitchen spice. It's one of the most researched herbs for cardiovascular health. Garlic's sulfur compounds, especially allicin, naturally relax blood vessels, helping lower blood pressure. Regular garlic intake can lower LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, while raising HDL cholesterol, the good kind. Research also shows garlic can reduce arterial plaque buildup, keeping arteries clean and flexible. Tip: for the best results, eat 1 raw clove daily or use an aged garlic supplement. 3. Turmeric, the inflammation fighter. At the root of heart disease lies inflammation, and one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory agents is turmeric. Its active compound, curcumin, helps reduce inflammation in blood vessel linings, prevents arterial stiffness and improves circulation, may reduce the risk of blood clot formation, which lowers the chance of heart attacks and strokes. Tip: pair turmeric with black pepper to increase absorption by up to 2,000%. 4. Ginger, the circulation booster. Ginger is warming, energizing, and a true friend to your circulatory system. Improves blood flow by relaxing blood vessels. Helps lower cholesterol levels naturally. Its anti-inflammatory compounds may reduce the risk of blood clots. Tip: enjoy fresh ginger tea daily or add it to meals for both flavor and health. 5. Cinnamon, blood sugar and heart protector. High blood sugar is a silent contributor to heart disease. Cinnamon is a natural way to fight back. Improves insulin sensitivity, which keeps blood sugar stable. Lowers LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. Supports healthy blood pressure and prevents arterial stiffness. Tip: just half a teaspoon daily can make a difference. Sprinkle it in oatmeal, smoothies, or coffee. 6. Green tea, antioxidant powerhouse. Green tea is more than a soothing drink. It's a cardiovascular superfood, packed with catechins, antioxidants that improve cholesterol ratios, promotes fat metabolism, reducing strain on the heart, linked to a reduced risk of stroke and heart attack. Tip: sip 2 to 3 cups daily for maximum benefit. 7. Flaxseed, omega-3 for the heart. While technically a seed, flaxseed is often considered in the herbal family for its healing power. Rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 that reduces inflammation, lowers blood pressure and cholesterol levels, supports flexible arteries, and reduces plaque buildup. Tip: Use freshly ground flaxseed daily in smoothies or salads. 8. Hibiscus, the natural blood pressure tea. Known as nature's blood pressure tea, hibiscus is beautiful and powerful. Drinking hibiscus tea can significantly lower systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Rich in anthocyanins and polyphenols that protect artery walls, also supports liver health, which is crucial for balanced cholesterol. Tip: enjoy a cup of hibiscus tea daily for a refreshing, heart-healthy ritual. 9. Ashwagandha, the stress reducer. Stress is one of the hidden drivers of high blood pressure and heart disease. Ashwagandha, a powerful adaptogen from Ayurveda, helps balance the stress response, lowers cortisol, the stress hormone, improves sleep quality, reducing strain on the heart, may help reduce blood pressure by calming the nervous system. Tip: take ashwagandha powder or capsules daily, especially during stressful times. 10. Rosemary, the circulatory stimulant. Often used in Mediterranean cooking, rosemary is more than a seasoning. It's a medicinal herb. Stimulates circulation and improves blood vessel health. Contains antioxidants that protect the heart from oxidative damage. Its aroma alone can lower stress and support healthy blood pressure. Tip: use fresh rosemary in meals or steep it in hot water for a fragrant tea. Bringing it all together. Each of these herbs has unique benefits, but together they form a powerful toolkit for heart protection. Of course, herbs work best when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Regular movement, balanced meals, stress management, and restorative sleep. But sometimes our bodies need an extra push, and that's where targeted nutrition comes in. Featuring Forte for Life. Alongside these 10 herbs, one of the most effective ways to support your cardiovascular system is Forte for Life, a supplement developed by Dr. Harry Elwart, a naturopathic doctor specializing in heart health. Here's why it works so well. It delivers 5,000 milliliters of L-arginine, an amino acid that helps your body produce nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels, improves circulation, and lowers blood pressure. Enriched with antioxidants, it protects against oxidative stress, one of the root causes of heart disease. Supports cholesterol balance, circulation, energy, and even mental clarity, making it a complete daily heart wellness formula. When you combine the healing power of herbs with the targeted nutrients in Forte for Life, you're giving your heart everything it needs to stay strong, flexible, and resilient. So, enthusiast, which of these herbs are you most excited to try? Hawthorn for circulation, garlic for cholesterol, or hibiscus tea for blood pressure? Drop your favorite in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural heart health wisdom. And if you're ready to take your heart health to the next level, consider adding Forte for Life to your daily wellness routine, because your heart deserves the very best care naturally. Until next time, stay healthy and stay strong with Forte for Life.